ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. In this month of Padron, Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj is using the alphabet Pabba of Padron to explain to us the concept of Param, which is duality, Dobda. Guru Arjan Dev Ji starts off the message of this month by saying Padwe Param Pulaniya Dujya Laga Het. That in the month of Padron, us soul brides, given this human body, Param Pulaniya, we are living our life in Param and we have forgotten the truth. We have forgotten that this Atma, myself, and Paramatma, we are one. When we forget this reality, we are living in Param, we are living in Dubda. Dujya Laga Het, forgetting this truth, we have now attached ourselves to Dujya, to duality, to this world which is bound to destruction. And all forms of dukkha that we go through comes from that duality. The duality that I and Vaheguru are separate and I am this body. Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj then continues on saying, Lakh sigar banaya, karj nahi ket. So there you go. When we associate ourselves, our reality that I am this body, what do? Lakh sigar banaya. Our whole life is spent for this body. Kapde khareed le, beautifying ourselves, buying, doing everything that revolves around this body. Par karj nahi ket. But in the end, Guru Sahib says all of these are useless. It doesn't even help us in our true journey, in our true purpose of life. And there's this saying nowadays, YOLO, you only live once. So why not just use this life for this body to give yourself a good life, beautifying ourselves. Now Sangat Ji, the standard of beauty that the world has set has never been the same throughout the centuries or decades. The standard of beauty that was yesterday is not being practiced now. And the standard of beauty, the stigma of beauty that is present now in the world is not going to be the same tomorrow. It's going to be something else. Ask yourself this question. Why am I torturing myself? Why am I constantly allowing myself to be so tired to follow this beauty standard set by the world? Why not follow that one beauty standard set by Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj, by our Guru, where Guru Sahib says the quality of a Suhagani, the quality of a Gunavanti, the beautiful soul bride who is connected to Paramatma. And doing what Guru Sahib tells us to do, that truly makes us beautiful. Then Guru Sahib says, this body that we are so connected to, it's just made up of flesh, bones, blood, and it's full of dirt, ganda. We can try to clean it so much as we can from the outside, but inside, when you open up this body, it's full of dirt. Guru Sahib says, Jit din deh binasasi, tis vele kehsan preta. The day this body is destroyed, which means the day the Atma leaves this body, tis vele kehsan preta. At that point, after that, we are not, the body is not going to be called by the name that it was associated with. They are going to call us ghost. Tis vele kehsan preta. Gurbani says, Jab e hans taji eh kaya, pret pret kar bhagi. The day the soul leaves this body, it's now called spirit, it's now called ghost. And everybody is going to be so afraid of us. The same people that we were so in love with. So what happens then when the soul leaves this body? Pakad chalayan doot jama, kise na deni ped. Guru Sahib says that the Jamdoots, the messenger of death, they come, they grab hold of us and they take us away from this world to the court of Dharamraj, where our account, our lekha jokha, our karam will be accounted for. Kisena deni ped. And at that point, nobody knows the secret of where the journey is, where that place is. Only the soul, the person who is going through that journey understands the secret. And then Guru Sahib says, what happens as the soul leaves this body? What is happening at that scene, at that time? Chhad khadote khine mahe jinsyo laga hed. And those that we have loved our whole life, what happens when they see this dead body? Chhad khadote khine mahe. They leave us in an instant. They burn this body, they do saskar of this body, and then they are gone, nowhere to be seen. And what do we experience at the time of death? Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj says, Hath marore tan kape syaho hoa set. At that point when we are on our dying bed, the time of death is coming near, all that we have done in our life, we start to reflect it. All this flashback starts coming in. And sometimes, especially those who have lived their whole life in duality, in param, and believing that we are this body, at that point there's a lot of regret and guilt going through that person's mind. Why haven't I done any Naam Simran? Why haven't I connected to Paramatma? Why have I not done any good deeds with this body which I was supposed to do? So at that point, the fear of death starts coming in. Hath marore tan kape, the body starts shivering in fear. There's so much of fear going on that what's going to happen to me? Syaho hoa set. And this body, the color from black, from that bloody red color, the blackish color that we can see in this body while it's alive, hoa set, it becomes white when the soul leaves this body. When blood stops running, basically the body is dead, it becomes pale white color. So now we have understood what happens to us at the point of death, what our family members experience, those loved ones, what do they do, and what happens when the soul leaves this body, how do we then experience with the messengers of death, Jamdut. Now Sangaji, very important to understand, there are many out there now who have doubt, who do not believe the existence of Jamduts, the messengers of death, Dharmraj, heaven and hell. But these have constantly been explained and mentioned in Gurbani. Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj in their Bani Sukhmani Sahib, they say, Kai Kota Narka Surga Nivasi. That there's millions of those who stay, who are Nivasi of heaven and hell. And then now Nitane Bani we read, Na ho na tu nah shuthe, Niktana Jahyo Dood. That those who do Simran, who are connected to Paramatma, Jamduts do not go near them. Then Gurbani says, Dharmraj jab lekha mange, kya mukh leke jayega? That when Dharmraj asks for your lekha, for your account of your karam in this world, kya mukh leke jayega? What face are you going to bring forward when we have not done anything good in this life? And read the accounts, the experiences of those Gurmukhs, the saints like Pairantir Singh Ji, and all these other Mahapurkh who have mentioned precisely about experiences of these concepts, heaven and hell, Dharmraj, Jamduts, experiences with their loved ones as well, seeing other people going through their time of death. Just because we have not experienced it, seen it, doesn't mean that they do not exist. It is for us to learn about it, to read Gurbani, read Itihas, read the life stories of Gursikhs and believe in it. Do not get into this dubada. So now towards the end, Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, they explain, they say, Jeha bije solune karma sandra khet. That whatever we plant, the seed of karam that we plant in this life, in this world, in this jivan, solune, those are the kind of fruits that we are going to reap. So if we plant bikha, bije bikha, mange amrata, that we plant bikha, poison, we can't expect amrit. We are going to get poison in return. Karma sandra khet, that this body, Guru Sahib says, is the field in which we commit our karam. So now this is now up to us to decide what kind of karam we want to commit. Do we want to do good deeds, so that when we leave this world, we have good accounts with us? Or are we going to live in duality in param and collect all those negative karam, and then when we leave this world, having to go through that fear of death, that pain, that suffering that Guru Sahib mentioned earlier in the Panktiyan before this. Towards the end now, Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj is saying, Nanaka Prabh Saranagati Charanam Bohita Prabh Det, that Paramatma has given me the boat, has blessed me with their boat that will bring me across, take me across this worldly ocean, this Kaljuk, which is full of param, which is full of dubada. And in the month of Padron, Guru Sahib says, in the end, Se Padoe Narkana Paiya hai, Guru Rakhan Wala Het. That in the month of Padron, when we have come to the Sharan of Satguruji and asked for protection, basically we come to our Guru and we say that we have given up everything. Tanna man tanna sab sop gur ko hukm maniye paiye. We have given up everything and now we have accepted the teachings of Satguruji. Guru Rakhan Wala Het. And when Guru Sahib becomes our Rakhwala, then in the month of Padron, Guru Sahib says, we are not going to suffer in the fire of hell. So Sangatji, very important in this month, Guru Sahib is giving us this really important advice, teaching about what param is and what happens when we leave this world living, dying in param. So it's up to us now to think, to decide for ourselves, do we want to continue living in param, in dubada, in duality, believing that I am this body and I and Vaheguru are separate? Or should we now change to the path of Ekka, from duality, from dubada, do, becoming Ekka, which is Atma Paratma Ekko Kare, that I am a part of Vaheguruji and I'm not different from Paramatma. All I have to do now is put in that effort and do what my Guru tells me to do to become one with Vaheguru again. So Sangatji, forgive me for any mistakes that I have made. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.